What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Route 254, man. As you can see, we out here getting the footage of the Chevy hood up. About to get ready to change out this little old wiper motor one more again.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Motor comes all the way from Kansas. Shout out to my boy Mark Holly. Y'all go check out his CTN bill. So before we do this one though, we're gonna clean up those contacts. We're gonna clean up those contacts like we was talking about in the last video to make sure we got a good connection. We need these wipers to pass inspection. Fuck the windshield. We just need some wipers. Alright, so before we dive too deep off into this thing, man, I did just realize the difference on our pumps and the bumps. Like, this motor is totally different. Totally different. Not saying that it won't work. The mounting points appear to be the same. Well, actually, it's not the whole motor, it's just the water pump part. So I think we might be good. We might be good here. We'll just proceed as planned. So I'm gonna set y'all right over here. Let me see. Actually, I'm gonna change cameras or views or whatever, and then y'all can see me go and swap this out. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, as you can see, this back here was painted over. Let's see, this is more like a copper brush. Basically, I just want to scuff this up and see if we can get a better ground on our screws. I really don't think it makes that big of a difference, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna learn today. If I had one of them joints from Harbor Freight, like the little, what's it called, brush wire wheels, some shit like that, then it might be a little bit more effective. But you know, we kind of been banned. We've been banned from Harbor Freight in the junkyard. We've been told to finish the Chevys. So, but what happens when you need to finish the Chevys and you gotta go to Harbor Freight or the junkyard? So, might have to break that rule. Alright, let's see. Get this motor on here, man, and see what the fuck gonna happen. Alright, there we go. Had to make a couple of adjustments to the camera. Shit was mad bright. Mad bright. Bring that ISO down, man. ISO. If you're in a dark spot and trying to get your shadows and shit on the hood, bring that ISO up. But remember, bring that shit back down. Or your footage be blown out. So we're just gonna take our plug here. See, this is the one. This is one for the wiper motor. The other plug is strictly for the other plug is strictly for the wipers. Let's see, shit. This motherfucker do not want to cooperate with me. On the other motor, it went on all smooth and stuff. Definitely want to make sure we got it on the right way. Yeah, the way we took it off. The pin do look a little bent, but we're gonna make it out happen. Let me get 2 hands on this thing. Bring it right back. Alright, so like I said, that other plug does plug up. Whatever this third wire is not used for that one. Don't know how much of a difference that made. We're gonna find out in just a second. Crank it up and see. Well, yeah, I guess we can crank it up. It's been a while. Crank it up and see what our little motor gonna do. I think the last time I cranked a bit was like before Whip Fest. That's been a couple weeks ago now. Hopefully. Like a rock, baby. Like a rock. Crank right up. We ain't worried about her though. But we trying to find out about this wiper motor. I hear something clicking, but ain't nothing moving. That's odd. That's odd as shit. So now I don't even hear the clicking. I don't even hear the clicking. Yeah, man, I don't fucking know. Look like we was making better progress with this one right here. Like I said, I don't know if this ground got anything to do with it. Like I do know that they go to that pump. You know what I'm saying, for the spray. So I mean, we should be getting something with this. I'm pretty much done with this series, man. I mean, once we get it running, I'll let y'all know. But yeah. I thought it was gonna idle down. It's kind of high. So I don't like it. But like I said, that could be because of that fan or whatever. But yeah, man, it's too hot to be out here fucking around, bro. I'm gonna keep it a gram with y'all. It's too hot to be out here fucking around with this wiper motor. So, I'll come back tonight, tomorrow, or another day, and I'll get it all figured out. And next time, next time we talk about the wiper motor, I'll just be like, it's working. This is what I did to fix it, etc., etc. The end. So, it's your boy, gone.